So we finally built ourselves a chicken tractor. I mean, it's not completely done yet, as I want to hang the feeders and the waters off of these support struts here, and then close up the back. That way it feels more of a shelter to them. But about this level here, I want to have nesting boxes for them. That'll pretty much be it. It'll be done. But tonight, I think I'm going to go ahead and move them in, since their little house is getting crowded. Hopefully this will help convince them to come in. They love crack corn. Well, we got a first guest already. Oh, nope, she's running away. I do got to get the waterer in there and get the feeder hung up yet. I guess this would be a good day for me to fix the waterer. Since I want to hang it up, I'll hang it up from the hook that it was supposed to have there, but that broke off. Better rinse off the water area. It's kind of getting a little muddy. Amazing how quick sometimes they dirty that up. I just cleaned it out yesterday. Some days they'll go for a while, some days not. Oh, so here I am in my little workshop. I think I figured out what I'm going to do. Quite simply, drill a hole in the top of this, bolt down through, and the chain. Have it bolted on there like that, and I have a place to hang it, and it's fixed. Perfect. Now, hopefully I have a bolt and nut for it. Yep. So we'll do bolt, then through the chain, down through the bucket, and I want to split two ends of the chain so that one goes out one way, one goes out the other. I might need a washer on there. Unfortunately, I do not have a flat washer. I only have locked washers, but that's better than nothing. Help keep it tight. On there, change where it needs to be. I gotta find 2 wrenches. Aha! Got the right size. I would call that fixed. What do you know? I was out there fixing the water and I've already got a few explorers into their new house. Moving day might not go as hard as I thought. So our birds have always done a really good job of putting themselves away at night. And tonight, I'm going to use that to our advantage to kidnap them and put them into the new house. So as you see, they are already sticking really close to their house, which is getting way too small for their size. The chickens are already starting to put themselves away. The ducks are still on the outside, but they were always the last ones to go in. And of course we got visitors again because they see me out here and gotta always say hi. But the plan is, in about 15 minutes or so, that should be enough time for them to put themselves away. I'm gonna come out and pull them out one by one and march my way over there. I could easily crowd them up in a corner, grab 1 or 2 at a time, but that's kind of frightful for the bird. See, the most scary part for catching birds like that is the chasing them and that whole fiasco. And I want to eliminate that, as I'm a firm believer if there's an easier way to capture animals, whether it be a bird, a pig, a cow, goat, no matter what it is, if you can do that with the least amount of traumatization to the animal, that's the way to go. So, I guess I'll be back in about 15 minutes to try it out. So, the birds have finally got themselves put away. I got my trusty little headlamp. Give us some light, and let's see how this goes. Time to kidnap. They haven't fully got themselves relaxed and asleep yet, but they're still calm enough where it's easy to pick them up. Oh, it'll be alright. Of course, we want to close the door so we don't lose any progress. They seem more confused than anything else. It's a good thing they ain't scared though. Now to repeat the process like 6 more times. Come here, little chickens. It'll be okay. This is so much easier chasing them around and try to catch them. I'll do the ducks last. Oh, they're starting to hide away in the back. Move, duck, move. Oh no, we got commotion now. Duck was running over one of the chickens. That's another reason why I want to get them out and into the bigger house. I don't want the ducks trampling over the chickens. It's getting noisy. Be free, chicken. Ah! It's definitely so much better than chasing them around, even if it takes a waiting until nighttime. We're down to 2 chickens left. I don't know where the other one is. It's way back there. Okay, I got a secret entrance to that one. Oh, it don't know what to do. I got you, little chicken. Get away from the door. Back up. Okay. We gotta get off of me. Not climb up further onto me. Ah! Oh, here's the fun ones. These guys don't like to be held. Come here, duck. Oh no! Come on. Oh, I got you. Oh, you poor duck. Now she's gonna be mad. Back up, chicken. Come on, get in there. Look at that. They'll go herding to them. Chickens feel safe around the ducks at night. Ducks do kind of serve themselves as the guardians. They're always the last ones into the chicken house and everything. Oh, you poor dog. Oh, come here. You're the last one. Oh, that wasn't so bad now, was it? That neighbor's trying to sleep. There you go. All united. They're a little mad now, but they'll be alright in the morning. And that is how you successfully kidnap birds and transfer them into new homes. They'll be a little wind up for an hour or two, but they'll go back to bed. Thanks for watching.